For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Mute nasal dilators are designed to increase airflow through the nose, reduce snoring and improve sleep quality. Unlike nasal strips, these dilators gently open nasal passages, increasing airflow by up to 38%. This drug-free solution is FDA registered, made from medical-grade materials, and provides a comfortable fit with adjustable left and right stents for personalized use. For first-time users, the Mute Starter Pack includes 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large, allowing individuals to find the best fit. A proper fit maximizes effectiveness and ensures the device stays in place throughout the night. Each dilator can be reused up to 10 times, making it a cost-effective solution for those seeking better sleep without medication or invasive treatments. While Mute nasal dilators work for many people, they may not be effective for everyone. Factors such as structural nasal issues or other causes of snoring might require additional solutions. However, for those experiencing snoring due to nasal congestion or airflow restriction, Mute offers a simple, clinically tested way to breathe easier and sleep better.